Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix error code 4 issues on Spotify. So let's get started right away. First of all, if you're trying to use the Spotify application on your device, but you see an error code 4 in the middle of using it and you are not able to use the application any further, then the first thing to check is to make sure that your internet connection is running smoothly. Make sure that you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or data connection and open up any other application that also uses the internet. If this application is running smoothly, then the next step is to check for updates. Open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device, and then search for the Spotify application using the search box. Once you find Spotify, tap on it, and if you see an update button instead of open, you will need to tap on it to install the latest updates. Tap on the update button and wait for a while until the installation is completed. And when you see the open button, you can tap on it and see if your issue is fixed. After this step, if your issue still isn't fixed, then long press on the Spotify application and tap on the info button at the top right. Now, from the application info page, tap on force stop at the bottom right corner first and tap on OK to stop the app. Then scroll down and tap on storage, and now tap on clear data at the bottom left corner and tap on delete to delete all of your user data. After this step is done, open up Spotify once again and you will be asked to log into your account. After logging in, you will see that this issue has now been fixed. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to fix error code 4 issues on Spotify. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.